10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And flat 5, 80 up mid, fast right 4. Come on. Repeat, fast right 4. 65 and care, left 4 over crest, tightens, left 2, don't cut. 20, long fast right 3, opens, right 4, 60, and flat left 5. 65 and care, left 4 over crest, tightens, left 2. Repeat, tightens, left 2, watch for the 2. Right 5 over crest and C square left there. 80. Right 5 and flat left 5 in. Opens very long left 6, 100. Right 4. Repeat, right 4 into fast right 3 over bumps. And fast right 3 in. And crest into danger, crest, left 3 and long right 4 in. 60 over loose, right 3, don't cut, log in. Repeat, right 3, don't cut, log in. 40, fast right 4, don't cut. 100, right 6 and flat crest. 60, left 6. Repeat, 60, left 6 and flat crest. 150 and a tight left 4 in at the top. See it? 40, right 4 in, tight left 4 into crest, left 6 and late right 5, 80 and right 5 into right 5, only 60, right 3 in, very short left 3, there's your right 3 in, very short left 3 and short left 3, 135 down, slippy braking, C turn square right at the bottom here, square right at the bottom there, got it?
Yeah.
Well done, 100 up. Flat left 5, flat right 5, in over crest, keep it pinned. Into left on flat crest. Repeat, left on flat crest, 60, long fast right 3, continues past junction, don't cut. 40, long fast right 3, up. 85, late short left 2. Repeat, late short left 2. Here. And very long right 2, up. 40. Care, left 3, nipped, slippy. Repeat, left 3, nipped, slippy. 80, long left 6. 100. And right 6 over crest in. So repeat, 100, right 6 over crest in. 130 and a fast left 3 in, past junction. And care, left 3 narrow into left 3, 150, so into left 3 here, 150, tight left 4 at the top, got him?
Yeah.
And small flat crest, and flat right 5. So small flat crest and flat right 5, and right 6 over crest, into middle over crest, 60 down, right 3, don't cut, there. And long right 5, 40, left 6 over small crest, and left 6, only 40, danger, crest, tight left 4 in, crest, tight left 4 in here, and long right 3 down, nips, 130 up middle, left 6 over small crest, into long right 6, tighten, slow right 4 in. So repeat, left 6 over small crest and long right 6, tightens, right 4 in. And long left 2, there's your 2. 65, left 4, right 4. And crest into sudden right 2. Right 4, crest, sudden right 2. There's your 2. 80, right 6. 80. And left 5, tightens, very long, fast left 3, don't cut, logs. And tight left 4, don't cut, opens left 5 in. Opens left 5 in, and long fast right 5 in, and fast left 4, don't cut. And right 6 over crest, bump, 60. Fast left 4, 80. And long flat left 5, up. Repeat, long flat left 5, up. And long flat crest. Right 5, only 40, care, left 4, in. There's your left 4, in. Right 3, 205, C, turn left 2, there, got him?
Yeah.
C, turn left 2. Into crest, right 5 in, get over there, right 5 in, 65 down, late hairpin left, slippy here, late hairpin left, slippy. Get it in. And long right 5, long flat right 5 in, 150, long right 3 down at the bottom, you got him?
Yeah.
Long right 3 down. And left 6, right 6. And flat left 5, 60. So right 6 and flat left 5, 60. Left 6 over crest and flat left 5, 100. Keep it pinned, go on. And fast left 4 here. And 105 down middle. Slow left 5 into, turn tight, hairpin right. Turn tight, hairpin right, get it round. Go, kick it, 60, left 6, and flat left 5, down, 60, right 6, repeat, 60, right 6, 60, right 6 again, only 45, short left 3, into, left 3 tightens, left 2 here, don't cut, 80, right 6, and flat right 5, into flat crest, into very long right 5, tightens right 4 in, 80, tight right 4 in, 80, short left 3 in, there's your left 3 in, and long right 6, well done, go, long right 6, and right 6, and crest into tight left 4 in, and long right 6 continues into long crest and care, slow crest, right 4 before the tree, there's the tree, right 4 before the tree, and short left 3 past junction into right 6, 60 down, right 4 in, 100 down middle, repeat, right 4 in, 100 down middle, right 6 over crest, only 45, C left 2, slippy there, C left 2, slippy. And care, short right 3 into left 2, don't cut over narrow bridge. Left 2, don't cut over narrow bridge. Into long left 3 in 40, fast right 3. This is your fast right 3, 60. Left 3, 60. Care, left 5 in over crest. Go now. Care, left 5 in over crest, it's flat. And tight left 4 into right 5. And fast right 3 in here. And flat left 5, 40. Flat left 5 again, 175 up middle over bumps. Right 6 at the top, got him?
Yeah.
And crest and flat left 5. Right 6, 60. And left 5 over, left 6 over small crest, 60. Flat right 5 over bump, 150. Fast right 4 in over crest here, 60. Right 4. 60, right 4, and very short left 3. There's your left 3. 100 over bumps. Left 6, right 6, max. Here's your left 6, right 6, max. 100 over bumps. Fast right 4, don't cut here. And left 6. And crest into fast left 4. There's your left 4. 40. Late right 4 and tight left 4. 60. Right 4 slippy. And right 4 over crest. Don't cut. So this is your right 4 over crest. Don't cut. And right 4 slippy. Opens right 5. And care left 5. 5, tightens, long left 4, and turn right 2. Watch for the 2. Tightens 4 and turn right 2 there. And right 2 over finish. Keep it flat. Go, 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 go. Lift. Yeah, well done.
Fucking hell. That was fast. Holy shit.
That felt right.
Oh my fucking god. Oh, that
Yes,
was going faster than that.